Hello, my dear friends. A very warm welcome to you. Come in, come in. Imagine we are opening the door to a warm, cozy house. Outside, it might be raining or busy, but inside here, it is quiet and peaceful. Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be sitting here with you. It feels like we are gathered around a fireplace, doesn't it, Jane? It certainly does, Jessica. My name is Jane, and this is our special time to practice English together. We are going to speak slowly, clearly, and with a lot of heart. If you are new to our family, welcome home. And if you are already part of our family, welcome back. We missed you. Before we get comfortable, please take one small second to click the subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps us keep this home open for students all around the world. Yes, thank you so much. Today, we are going to tell the story of a full day. But we have a special secret. We are going to use the present perfect. This is a grammar tool we use when we look back at what we have done. Don't worry if that sounds hard. It is actually very simple. It just means adding the word have before your action. For example, I have eaten. Exactly. So relax your shoulders, take a deep breath, and let's start our day. Let's imagine it is 8 a.m. The sun is shining through the window. I look at my bed and I see that I am standing up. I can say, I have woken up. Jessica, how does your morning start? Well, usually I am very sleepy, but once I hear my alarm, I get up. So at 8 a.m., I can say, I have gotten out of bed. Wonderful. I have gotten out of bed. It means the sleep is finished. The day has started. Listeners, I want you to repeat after me. I will leave a quiet space for you to speak. I have woken up. I have gotten out of bed. I have stretched my arms. After I get up, I go to the bathroom. This is my time to wake up my face. I use cold water. Splash! It feels very fresh. Then I brush my teeth. When I am finished, I look in the mirror and smile. Jessica, what can we say about this in the present perfect? We can say, I have washed my face and I have brushed my teeth. It means my teeth are clean now. Perfect. Let's practice these hygiene words. Imagine you are looking in the mirror. I have washed my face. I have brushed my teeth. I have combed my hair. Now the smell of breakfast fills the kitchen. Nothing smells better than toast and coffee. I sit at the table. I eat my food slowly. When the plate is empty, I know breakfast is done. So we can say, I have eaten my breakfast. And for the coffee, we say, I have drunk my coffee. Drunk is a funny word, isn't it? But it is correct. English is full of funny words. Listeners, let's practice finishing breakfast. I have eaten my toast. I have drunk my coffee. I have finished my breakfast. Now, we must hurry a little bit. Work is waiting. I find my keys, I find my bag. I open the door and step outside. I lock the door behind me. Click. Now I am on the street. Jessica, what have I done? You have left the house, and you have locked the door. Safety first. That is right. I walk to the bus stop, the bus comes, I get on, I sit down. When I arrive at my office, I get off. Now I am at work. So you can say, I have arrived at work. Yes, listeners, imagine you are now at your job or your school. You traveled there. Let's say these sentences together. I have left my house. I have taken the bus. I have arrived at work. Before we start working, I want to remind you, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe to our channel. We are building a library of lessons just for you. Now I am sitting at my desk. My computer is on. I have many emails to read. I read 1, 2, 3 emails. Then I reply to them. Jessica, if I finish replying, what do I say? You say, I have answered my emails. Exactly. I also have a meeting with my boss. We talk for 30 minutes. When the meeting is over, I go back to my desk. So, I have talked to my boss, or I have finished the meeting. You are doing great, Jessica. Listeners, let's practice being productive. I have started my work. I have answered my emails. I have finished the meeting. At 12 p.m., my stomach goes grumble, grumble. It is time for lunch. I eat a sandwich. I drink some water. When I am full, I go back to work. Jessica, tell us what you have done at lunchtime. I have eaten my lunch, and I have taken a short break. It is important to rest your brain. Very true. Let's practice the lunch break. I have eaten my lunch. I have taken a break. I have drunk some water. Jane. The sun is going down. The work is finished. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my friends. I go home. When I open my front door, I feel so happy. Home is the best place. I agree. So now we say, I have come home, or I have returned home. Yes, I take off my shoes, I change my clothes, I put on my soft pajamas. Then I go to the kitchen to cook. I chop vegetables, I boil water, I make a hot soup. When the soup is ready, I serve it to my family. That sounds delicious. So, I have cooked dinner. Listeners, imagine the smell of dinner. Let's practice. I have come home. I have changed my clothes. I have cooked dinner. After dinner, we are full and happy. But the dishes are dirty. So I wash the plates. I dry the forks. Now the kitchen is clean again. Good job, Jane. You say, I have washed the dishes. Then I go to the living room. I sit on the sofa. I turn on the TV. I watch a funny movie. It makes me laugh. Jessica, what have you done in the evening? I have watched TV and I have read a book. I love reading before bed. Let's practice relaxing. I have washed the dishes. I have watched a movie. I have read a book. Now the house is dark and quiet. The moon is in the sky. It is time to sleep. I check the door to make sure it is locked. I turn off the lights. Click. I go to my bed. So we say, I have turned off the lights, and I have gone to bed. I close my eyes. I think about my day. It was a good day. Listeners, let's say our final sentences for the night. I have locked the door. I have turned off the lights. I have gone to bed. You have done a wonderful job today. You have lived a whole day in English. You have practiced the present perfect. You should be very proud of yourself. Yes! And thank you for visiting our home today. If you feel comfortable here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. It tells us that you want to come back. And we have a challenge for you. Go to the comments section right now. Tell us one thing you have done today. Write, today I have, and finish the sentence. Maybe, I have drunk tea, or I have walked the dog. I can't wait to read them. I will give every comment a heart. Thank you for your time, your patience, and your wonderful spirit. Sleep well, practice hard, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.